So now,
Hello.
good morning all of you.
Hello,
Today
auntie.
we will,
Good morning, auntie.
good morning. Today I want to explain you about clauses. I have already told you although, but all of you were not in the class. That is why it is very necessary to tell you about clauses. I have already told you. Okay, but you don't have given me answer correctly, so that is why it is very necessary that you should know about clauses. And after it I want to make you practice about it. Okay, so students, a clause is a group of words which has subject and predicate, okay, of its own. Simply, every clause have subject and predicate. Okay, predicate part and verb also. It means predicate part means
Ma'am,
verb. हाँ जी बोलिए.
which subject? English, Eco, BSc,
Who is here? Yes.
Booth,
What's your name? Yes, tell me. What's your name? Everybody knows my class is of English. Who is asking? Please tell me. This one is English class. So I want to tell you about clauses. Clear? Then subject and predicate. Both part are necessary in clauses and their existence is self. It means उनका खुद का एग्जिस्टेंस होगा किसके अंदर, सेंटेंस के अंदर, यानी प्रत्येक क्लॉजेस के अंदर अपना सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट पार्ट इज मस्ट. In the same manner makes complete sense and it should be given complete sense and forms part of a larger sentence. So whenever we want to make a large sentence, then it is very necessary that we have to join some conjunctions. So here is also the description of this. This one is the one part and this one is the second part. But both are interlinked with each other. Have you listened it? And have you known? Now I want to tell you, देखिए मैंने already आपको सब चीजें बता रखी हैं. That is why there is no necessity to write again and again. So we will start next thing. Noun clause and adjective clause and adverb clause. Okay, so you know very well, here is the example already given to you, that the dog ran up. Okay, and when is the conjunction is used here and here is the verb second form. अब मैं आपको बताना चाह रही हूं कि according to tense, if this sentence here two words are used, verb second form and verb second form, but if you will join the sentence, then you may use had plus verb third form or was were. Okay, in the first form, first of all I am telling you, if clause, you know very well about if clause. In if clause, what will be happen? If main clause takes verb first form, then subordinate clause will take which form? बताइए. I am telling about if clause. Okay, आप लोग को मैंने कई बार आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. I have already told you about the if clause. Yes, then what will happen here in the if clause? If clause, if take verb first form, then what will be used here? The subordinate clause. Subordinate clause में क्या होगा? Will or shall. Okay, then if clause, if take here was second form, then what will happen here in subordinate clause? Subordinate clause में क्या आएगा? Would, should and could. Okay. Then next thing, had plus verb, third form. Okay. And what will happen here in subordinate clause? Would have, should have, and could have. Okay. This one is the formulas of if clause. याद रखिएगा, whenever you will join, then you will think about it, what will you use there in joining of the sentences. Clear to you? Is it clear to you? Students, are you present here in my class? Then you should give answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood all of the things? ये formulas should be noted by you, and these can be given in your examination also. Now the clause has been clear to you, so now I will start kinds of clause. Kinds of clauses are there are three kinds of clauses: subordinate clauses, the noun clause, the adjective clause, and the adverb clause. First of all, you will note this. Okay, students, if you haven't any writing work regarding for this, then you may write. Okay, all of you should written here. All of you should be written here. Okay, आप लोग इसको देखिए और you should write. Next, I am telling you first of all about the noun clause. Noun clause, examine these sentences. Okay, I told him the truth. I told him that he had failed. Students, now tell me, if it is asked to you that which clause is used here, then you will tell that here is noun clause. Why it is noun clause? Because abstract noun is used here. Okay. Then next thing, he had failed. I told him he had failed. Okay. That is conjunction here which is used. So if there is two sentences is given to you, I told him he had failed, then and that will be and or that can be and can be given in bracket, because of in examination what will be there here, it means in bracket will be that or maybe when or maybe they can give two or three may be given there, and when can be given. Okay, and that and when can be given. So what will be you do? Then first sentence, I told him, and second sentence what will be here? He had failed. Okay, then you will join both of sentences. Why you haven't joined and here? Can you tell? आपने यहाँ पर that join किया है, जो कि आपके आंसर में लिखा हुआ है. If and when will be given here. Okay, then why you haven't choose and when? Okay, can you tell me about this? Hello students, can you single one can tell about it? जल्दी बताइए. हम इसमें एंड क्यों यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं? यू शुड नो दिस. यस, टेल मी ईशा, वाई आर नॉट यूजिंग हियर एंड? यहां पर एंड यूज क्यों नहीं किया जा रहा है, बताइए.
ये दो मैम अलग सेंटेंस हो जाएंगे ना, ये
अलग
दोनों जुड़े
सेंटेंस
नहीं
हो
रहेंगे.
जाएंगे ना, लेकिन मुझे ये तो जानना है कि यहाँ पर हमने एंड क्यों नहीं लगाया, इसकी जगह हमने दैट यूज किया है. व्हाट इज द रीजन ऑफ इट? इसके पीछे बिहाइंड समथिंग विल बी, है ना? क्या कारण है इसके पीछे कि हमने यहाँ पर एंड यूज नहीं किया है? व्हाट इज द रीजन? हियर इज 2 sentences, okay? अब both are interlinked with each other, that is why that is necessary in the place of and. why? क्योंकि देखो बच्चों, ये दोनों सेंटेंस जो हैं ये इंटरलिंक्ड जरूर हैं, बट दीज आर अपोजिट टू ईच अदर, ओके? सो दैट इज वाई एंड कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड. एंड में कब यूज होता है? एंड में जब बोथ थिंग्स विल बी सिमिलर. समझ में आया? एंड कब यूज होता है? जब दोनों चीजें एक जैसी हो और उनके बीच में हम एंड का यूज करेंगे. व्हेन कब यूज किया जाता है? जब किसी सिचुएशन को आगे का डिस्क्राइब करना हो, जिसमें कि व्हेन में यानी जब टाइम पीरियड के बारे में बताया जा रहा हो, ओके, देन हम व्हेन का यूज करते हैं, ओके? जब हमने रीजन बताया है ये इसके अंदर, और ये बताया गया है कि हमने आपको ये बता दिया, आई टोल्ड हिम दैट ही हैड फेल, मैंने उसको ये बता दिया कि वह फेल हो गया है. तो यहाँ पर टेलिंग अबाउट हिम या फिर रीजन बताना, ये कोई भी चीज है, दैट इज वाई यहाँ पर दैट का यूज किया जाता है इन द प्लेस ऑफ व्हेन और एंड. ये रीजन है यहाँ पर, इसलिए इसको यूज किया गया है. अब यहाँ पर 2 सेंटेंसेस हैं. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या है? आई टोल्ड हिम द ट्रुथ. क्लियर? आई टोल्ड हिम, अगर हमने इसको और ज्यादा इंक्रीज किया देन व्हाट विल यूज है? आप ये बताइए, हमने 1 सेंटेंस लिखा, 2 सेंटेंस लिखा, ओके? अब हमने इन 2 सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन कर दिया, अलग अलग अगर दिए गए हैं, और अगर आपको अलग अलग नहीं दिए गए हैं, देन देयर इज ओनली 2 these sentences. आई टोल्ड हिम द ट्रुथ, आई टोल्ड हिम दैट ही हैड फेल्ड. अगर हमको इसको भी ज्वाइन करना है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन हियर? बताइए. किसी को भी आता है क्लास में अगर, तो कैन टेल, और अगर रॉन्ग है तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं सही बता दूंगी आपको. कैन यू टेल? आई टोल्ड हिम द ट्रुथ, आई एंड टोल्ड हिम दैट ही हैड फेल्ड. ओके, अब इसमें आपको 3 मिल गए. अब आप किस तरीके से ज्वाइन करोगे? बताइए. इसको आपको ज्वाइन करना है इसके साथ, देन व्हाट विल हैपन विद यू? क्या करेंगे आप इसके साथ में? किस तरह से इसको चेंज करेंगे? I told him the truth that he had failed. कोई और जरूरत नहीं है इसके अंदर, सिर्फ सिंपली you will write here I told him the truth that यहां से यहां तक का, ओके, that he had failed. देखिए, अब ये both sentences are here. Clear? If here is given or not, it's not matter. I am telling you about this कि इसको हम चेंज कैसे करेंगे अगर दोनों सेंटेंसेस हों. और आपको क्या दिया गया है इसके अंदर? that we I told him the truth that, यहाँ दोबारा that नहीं आएगा, that he had failed. Okay, can be given that, can be given and can be given when. So that is why when you join these sentences, then you know that I told him and I told him. Both are common in both sentences. That is why there is first thing is used. First sentence should be used there. I told him the truth that he had failed. Okay? Or maybe it not given, then you will use that. Okay? Now, next thing. If they will ask, देखिए इस तरह का क्वेश्चन उन्होंने अभी तक दिया नहीं है बोर्ड में कि इस तरह का कुछ पूछा हो, बट मे बी गिवन अगर दिया जाए, देन दे विल आस्क which clause is used here, then the truth. इसके अंदर आपका the truth यूज किया गया है, और आपको पता है truth कौन सा noun है, abstract noun. Okay, so this one, if they will ask noun clause, adverb clause, adjective clause, then which clause is used here? Noun clause. Clear to you? Hello students, Divya, is it clear to you? All of you here, you are not giving answer. Pinky, what happened with you? If you have joined the class, then you should give answer. Whatever you will think, I am telling you that noun clause, if here is three options with you, the noun clause and adjective clause and adverb clause. Okay, then what will be the answer? Noun clause. Because of truth word, it means this one is the noun. It means which noun is used here? Which type of noun is used here? Abstract noun. Okay. I told him that he had failed. Now, he had failed. Failed word is used here. So that is why here is also noun clause is used. Okay. Then next. You may write here. If you want to write, then what is noun clause? A noun clause is a group of words which has subject and predicates of its own and does the work of a noun. ठीक है? It is doing the work of noun. Had failed because of he already told him. So that is why had plus what third form is used, but it is working just like a noun. So that is why it is noun clause. A noun clause is a group of words which has the subject and predicates of its own and does the work of a noun. Ramesh asked me where I live. So now here is also Ramesh who is asking about it. And where do you live? So that is why where is used here to join, and lived is working just like, although it is verb, but it is work just like the object. So that is why it is the noun clause. Clear to you? If all the students who are here, they are not giving answer, if it is clear to you or not, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Only you understand? Only you. Divya, Pinky, all of you should give answer. Have you understood, all of you? Have you not understood? Tell me. It is not clear to you. Okay, no problem. You don't know that. There is no problem. I will explain again. Now, next. The adjective clause. Now I am telling you about adjective clause. Read these sentences. Now, Desai is a wealthy man. Why it is adjective clause? Do you know? Wealthy, it tells us about quality. So, here is the meaning of it. Wealthy, it means he is rich. So, here is the wealthy word. It means this one is the adjective clause. If it will be asked, then you will write this one is the adjective clause. Second thing, Desai is a man who has great wealth. Who has great wealth? You know, here is also the description about wealth. So that is why it is also quality. So adjective clause is expressed here. Next, in sentence, wealth is an adjective and which qualifies man. In the same manner as the clause, that the verb and adjective, it is clause and adjective clause. And adjective clause is a group of words, and you may write this definition. Adjective clause is a group of words which has a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective. It means specify of this that there is quality or quantity or something else can be expressed. Okay, so now I'm telling you about this. Other examples, the house which is very old requires immediate repairs. Now here is the description of adjective clause, the house which is very old. Okay, old, it is the quality of this house, so that is why here adjective clause is used. Okay, immediate repairing is the need of it, that is why it is not adjective, it is not quality, but here is the old requirements also for repairing, so that is why it is which clause? Adjective clause. Next, there was a time when I could lift 250 Fs. Here is also lift 250 Fs. This one is the adjective clause. The man whose leg was broken was taken to hospital. Broken word is used here, and this one is the specialty that he has been taken to the hospital. So now the time is over of your class. So I want to close this one. Now all the adjective clause and also noun clause has been explained. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, all of you. You may leave from here.
I wasn't expecting this from you.